Good morning, guys. I wanted to jump on here and show you guys a project that I'm working on today. I'm making some wedding signs for a gal. These will be little signs that they can set beside their chair at the wedding or like down the aisle at the wedding, and they're going to have the 1 Corinthians scripture on it. So what I'm doing right now is we went to Menards and we purchased, it's a standard just 1x12 lumber, 8-foot chunks, and then we cut those to 16 inches with our chop saw over there. So just measure out 16 inches and cut these pieces. And then I'm coming over with a sander. I had talked about my orbital sander a while back, and I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So this is what it is. I just got this orbital sander at Menards, and start out like this. This is what they look like kind of after you take them. You use this sander, and you can see if you run it, run it across the edges, you'll see it softens these edges. So I just take my sander and run it across the edges all the way around and then over the top and bottom to get any markings off on the wood like this where they've marked the wood. So I just sand them down like that, and then I'll get all of these sanded quick, and then we'll head inside and paint them. I'll show you how we're going to do a kind of a water stain for them that's done with just an acrylic paint. So we'll see you in a little bit for part 2. Thanks, guys.